South Nyanza ya Nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagiti showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho teberie kende gensi uraganie bagoteberie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati aliaye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwa mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase MRM showroom onyare kabo gokwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwe kasure asubwango edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Mwancho murigirire wagitembe TV neritokoro ya Jumamosi yechi tariki 15 mutinyo yoiga hoyo 11 karibu sana asikionga chinsa ibire chabono mbarago bakorende na mwange agenda tokorekana anna muno kiro tokorigire ya asegeti kia siasa na ntindi agenderete kuwa muno asikia makiri kia ODM gotebwanga marange kiro muto munene ogure nigo kende yonsi kirikira so muto yo kikuburwa obomenyo ayo kubwatirania wakanonye chinyoni use kende yonsi kerike bwate obwamate no mutoyo bono niko kegotigara eroro karibu sana irinde tinyare ko yasanga sinchira engikirano kigima nchenkuru kwa Matilda Obaigo veni nyaboke akoenekere yaiga asim inchira yebe manyara karibu sana. Mwancho murigirire nekero togo chaka ekiunga nigo bono umukonyi bumrai asikia magia Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i bono anyare kuboria abarai kogendera gotegerera gose abarai koena naliba gocha se abarai ebechi kanisa na kubwa mono nekero aboriri abarai ebechi kanisa banyara koine kyabuna bamentire chinguru na boigo gwake riogi anene muno ekero yarorekane buna obarai ebwense ya Kenya tibori kogenda abuya nigo ayakwana igakora se chinsemo cyanya wa munyoro igotoka ime iye county ya Nyeri ase Pastor Dorcas Rigathi arenge kubekerwa amaboko buna omo reverend nekero umuske matyangia boririe nonyina barai bari me serikali banyare gutegerera ekanisa nke ukona kiagara nero ne bwatelibaga dio kwene kia buna oburai obuya wa gendereire.
Your Excellency, I will obey you. We will not speak politics today, but let me say one thing only. The whole of this week, we have listened very carefully to how the clergy have addressed public issues in this country. My personal experience is that I've interacted with some of these wonderful people here. And I normally tell people, for us in the secular world, these are very dangerous people because we are going to look for votes from all these people. These ones are ordained by God, and when they speak, we had better listen. And I want to ask our national leaders, His Excellency, our President and the government, please listen to the clergy, listen to the religious leaders of our country. I saw a very strong statement from the Conference of Catholic Bishops. The Anglican Church leaders have spoken very loudly, and many of you have spoken loudly. Those of you who read the Bible more oftenly, probably more often than my friend Mithika Rinturi, know the fate of those leaders who do not listen to the voice of God through the clergy. And we know what has happened to countries when we do not listen to our ordained men of God. You are the voice of God, you are the conscience of our country. I pray that our national leaders, please listen to the voice of God that is coming from the clergy. They are speaking on behalf of our people, and they are articulating the pain, aspirations, and wishes of our people. Finally, for those of us who cannot preach like Paul, who cannot preach like Reverend Dorcas, those who belong to that could include me and Rigathi and others here who cannot preach, our responsibility is to hold up the hands of the prophet. So Mama, I think, let me promise with the permission of my elder brother here, His Excellency Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, tatutafutia nafasi quietly wale ambao hatuwezi kuhubiri, so that we can come and raise up your hands as you serve these widows and these wonderful people.
Gutigana anayo omujumbe o West Omogirango omoske Steve Omogaka nigo bono anyarire kuboria abarai na boigo abana siasa kurase county ya Nyamira na boigo orogongo rwa Gusiro ensi banyare gutiga gose banyare gokiania siasa chipwateraniti e University ya Nyamira nekiro atabire buna ekigambiro kyanyarite kunacha nigo e University yora chikwagacho ase chinsemecho gose ase chinsemo chiri kya bonyoro nekiro kuboria abarai bande bonsi bagende kwa kiriogi batige kubekerania e University yu ase siasa chabo chierituko ase erinde nechinga kiechicho nigo anyarago koiraneria ekegambiro mbuya ase okurusia ekina igoro yo moroberio wokorika gose wokorika kwa banyanyimbo aiga asense ya Kenya nekira kuboria abasae kurwa ase chinsemo okubo muno iga sorogongo rwagusi banyare kwerikia ase umoroberio yo bwa serikali gwetirase kyombekeri kya National Police Service.
Gete kuraburia abarai batagete ebirogo abuo konya babwate emirimo iyo serikali ere menene inchungora asa mangana ye University ya Nyamira asituanyirusiri ngale abamwali ngo mumanyete ekimwakorete ni university eyo yesomo eshimiwa governor Nyagara Muminto arweto buri mukia abanyoru university erosigwo kurwe Eldoret mokoreti kende bono igekaro tuachire tuanyalire twansire safari yoko agache university ya Nyamira gwansira kia abanyoru nakogenda gwichinse mochinde tari masikani ekero mugotenoka gotebia abantu nga gazette notice teyo University ya Nyamira igere branch ya University ya Kisii ekorera University yigo ikebe University ikoro ku Nyamira igoko gazette ya University ya Nyamira etarakinere rwetu aramaguru omwana gako gende sukuru litukabyarwa eyege go demonstrating abantu mbale batemanyeti batamanyeti amachiko batamanyeti enchire university ekoroswa incho mujumbo West Mugirango oyo ole aso mustari omotwe yoko lera na kubwatisi na gusira n'amagama university ya Nyamira erwe asorusagerwa Kisii egera twetenenere gongo tebya bagusi baito ngana bangaini mule mubaise kungainwa n'abantu batato konyete konyore university ye karo babwate chinguru bakabagatusiekera noene egioski ke university tuabwate tiganya sa tokonye university iyi ya Nyamira ekolero ne university ya Kisii etwale amaguraye etwale chinsagi chiaye etwale echata ye university ya Nyamira na yongo ikaranale egekogera se budget ngobe katole chietane 3 billion shillings chigo chikwagacha university ya Nyamira egere imanyeko ewe chata yaye yetenenere ngonto ketwa kire kigambere kana nagiense ngambi yamono asoko igwera na kurusiororo injunction babegete yogotenania okolika kwa abasayo baito ko baba skali ba police tikine kikonya kiagamiru kiaelire naende machiko yense tari wanja ngeke gambiro naende keigure file yende yekina asekina ekoti yeyo yakwanire yakulire yasiekire file yeyo nabakire ngambu yamono nakubulia abasayo baito bali babwatira ngo yoko ba abaskali kamuranche morosi ya masakaraino lituko bakulika sechinse mwao mwe presentie egere na intutonyole esha ya mabagalia toire yokulikwa asabaskali
na gotigara ime iye kaunti ya Nyamira ritukerimo rioka magiga yoyo kabere omobunge o West Mugirango omoske Vincent Kemosi komocha umrai webunge obonega omoske Stephen Mogaka anemono ase obubagi bwechibesa cheche basari hochase chiskuru cheche secondary anemono kero akomorikira eskuru ya Bosiango eyo gotoka meya ward ya Bogichora aso mwaka 2024-2025 nigo obono oyore omwana siasa korwa nigo bono banyarire ebunge ya West Mugirango yanyare kwegerera enganeyo nabo igokota buna chibasari nchi abwatukiti uchase aborokiwa bakorwa ase skuru yo ya Bosiango nekero bono bakobole buna kuse oyoro mo manager korwa ase ikigancha kia CDF eme ebunge yo bono anyare kobole buna obotoreru nabo igo mbuganeri anene mono kero aborokiwa bali abanyore techibesecho barache konyora chiche kichabo samotukare busyo
Mbiamano, nja samalieta ku Samson Mayaka, nje no manager wa constituency ito ya West Mugirango. Ona achire igo busiraro asenge njo yamagana na igurete asamatanga Bosiango igoro kuwa se muchumbe urengoro muchumbe Kemosi mheshimiwa Kemosi ale batayabanga mheshimiwa Steve taete bana kipasali asomwa kwa ita igo nataka ko tebia bantu bamindonga mheshimiwa oito Steve Mogaka na ruete kipasali ase school chonsi cha West Mugirango aba ni school chinde chitwetana ine na Kenya ngima abana bari baro sorongasi nga mba pride gocha ofisi igonda gete nga umweshimiwa na alwete shilingi chiarenge 44 million asa abana bonspi including na abana bari barase umurobiri we scholarship igondu agata shop igoro gero amatanga busiango umujumbo orengo arukuruka mosi atebeti abantu nga mweshimiwa Steve yoro muchumba oito nga taruwete besa igari busiango for the record konta tote yabantu baitu nga busiango nambu ndegaiga aigo bisponda iga nimbwate disekarali litokoliki rukurwase school likorukwa acknowledgement igondroje chibasa tu weta rochi arenge 380 meaning abana ba bright bonspi banyora te pasari chia rwetoro na muligereletie bali moroje maiga chibasa ndurwete nonya na malisiti ya abana bonspi baetu pasari no arenga nechinga tutaranyora toira abana bakoreki bae kwa malisiti
Mwanzo muligirira kutigana na siasa y'ukurasa rugungo rwa Gusii ne kiama kya ODM ekirabono ke gucingira emyaka 20 ndigobono abarai akose abo botane ebekiame kyo bono obagenderete gose bagendera no muyigoyo ase county ya Mombasa rit kuria rero nekiro abarai abange mekiama kya ODM banyare gusanga ebirengerero byabo naboigo abande borokire ogwatananekana kebirengerero anamono nekiro abande bakubora kobera ime serikali nabande bakote bati bagusira serikali goika nainde bachikoligia oburai gose ODM ne chigwetenera asobochori obonene obole bose Sam Mienda na twariganirio robotoro asenchera ekubwatia
ati Raila alikuwa hapo na sasa tutafute mwengine kusaidia kuendelesha hii broad-based government.
Gitariki bune chiarero omutinyi oeta nigo morai kiama gia ODM musikira Raila Odinga asirityo bugima bwae gukwa kwae nigo bono kwaretire eburukane nyinge ase kiama gia ODM.
Asemaye kesho ni Mungu. Haya tuimbe hiyo sikia. Ati nini?
Rero neritukuria gatatu ekiame kigokora umuyiga bugwikia myaka 20 ime ya Mombasa nigo yarokanire maisomoro ogutaigwa na kogendete kwenekigwa ase kiameki gwetera ase chinkwana chiabarai.
Hiki chama kikuzaliwa ya kusema ya kwa wengine ni bora kuliko wengine.
But today we're seeing that coming together is actually better for us instead of us in our own corners crying by ourselves there, mtu mwingine analia pale, mtu mwingine analia kule. This is better for us.
But I do not know whether I am happy or whether I am sad. But I must also say here today, I defended my party kwa damu, kwa nguvu, kwa hali, kwa mali, kama ni noma, kama ni mbaya.
Tafadhali heshima irudi. Hatuwezi weka chama katika mnada kwa pesa ndogo.
Abarai kerabate na kukwana ime ya Mombasa chinkwana chabo nigo chene kia ogwatanenekana.
Kwa hivyo mfikirie hiyo youth leader na kuheshimu, lakini hapo mbele hata babu ametosha party leader. Haya. Tunasema ni babu kwa sababu kama kuna tabu ana jawabu la ajabu kwa adabu. Asante. Bila babu, tabu.
And therefore I want to speak to the people of ODM that you must respect your leaders, but we must also accept that Raila taught us to go to the street when it is necessary and go to the boardroom when it is necessary. Hiki chama vile mwenzangu Sosi amesema kimetengenezwa kwa miaka 20. Vijana, kina mama na wazee, tafadhali hatuwezi rudi nyuma. Mtu yoyote asiseme kwamba chama kitasambaratika. Wewe ukitaka kusambaratisha chama, tutakusambaratisha wewe mwenyewe.
Bona bono keromosike Babu Owino oywe oborire korwa ase umoyego oyo lakini oikirana ritukuria rero nigataba buna tigakwane ase ritukuria mwari gekogerana batanyoreri bagagwetera ase abarayi bande bekiama gia ODM.
Kidogo tu Sifuna, hii ndio siku ya mwisho SG wangu. Nimejua hawa wadozi wetu hawatanikaribisha hapa tena, na nataka kuhakikishia Raila Amolo Odinga mahali popote yupo sahihi. Baba, siku ya leo gharama ya maisha ikienda juu, tutaenda maandamano, wapende wasipende.
Asante.
Baba, siku ya leo karo ya shule ikipelekwa juu, tutaenda maandamano, wapende wasipende. Jana niliona viongozi wetu wa ODM walipewa viti. Congratulations. Lakini wacha niwaulize swali. Wadozi, mliangalia huyu Babu Owino mkaona hizi tosha kiti yeyote?
Ase ensemo yaye Winnie Odinga oyoro mwana wa Raila Odinga nigane kebuna oyo bwate okwegena ne serikali ya broad-based. Nomoske Raila Odinga nigo arrekana gotatwara okwegena guchia ase Oburu Odinga oyore semoke nande omurayi obono bwekiama gia ODM.
Leader, there was something that I wanted to tell you. When it came to the matter of this broad-based government, the people of ODM entrusted one person with the management of that relationship. And that person was Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. That relationship is complicated. And therefore, we are looking and we are wondering, those that are taking it upon themselves to manage it now, are they capable of managing that relationship? I don't think that is a question for me to answer. That is a question for the people of ODM to answer. And party leader is why I'm requesting we need to go back to the people and have an NDC and see who the people want to pick to manage that same relationship. Kwa hiyo mengi na machache, asanteni.
Era mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Simba Arati oyoboigo oregati abakonyi babarayi bekiama gia ODM nigatangasire segi asonde bwensi orachi gotema gosari ekiama gia ODM.
Mtu anapiwa risasi anaekelewa juu ya bonnet yangu. Watu wamelemaa, watu hawana manyumba kule Kisumu, Nyarenda, watu waliuawa. Tafadhali mtu yoyote ambaye atadhania kwamba atavunja chama cha ODM, tutakuvunja mapema. Mambo ya kusema, na nimsikize mzuri, hii ndio itaharibu chama. Watu wanasema one term, two term, ujinga wa one term na two term, kwanza tumalize nayo, tujenge chama.
Kubotekana neme burukano, kubotekana neche tofauti chigenderete kwenekiwa ase kiama gia ODM. Mbombo kiburachi kwenekiwa ase ekiamekyo. Mbombo kiburachi kwenekiwa ase ekiamekyo. Kuripoti rege taseni kiage tembe, Mjensam, Miyenda.
Wancho muligire gutikana anasiasa yo korwa ase kukwirane wika chinse mochiricha wa Munyoro ekero bono omoske ekero omorugi boyo kabeire umukonyi bo muraye bwense mama Dorcas Pastor Dorcas Rigathi bono ritukuria rero nyara kubikirwa amaboko koba omo reverend nigo obona nyara ukorerwa umuyiga omonene ase chinsemo chucha wa Munyoro gutoka ime ye county ya Nyeri kurende abarai abange anamuno kora sinsemo yo kwambereria serikali bakorawa ne Rigathi Gachagua Dr. Fred Matiang'i Kalonzo Musyoka na boigone timu yende enene niko banyara gwikirana ase chinsemo echo ndikiro banyara komotogia koba omosubati obeire kago suguma omusikeri katika shagwa ase chinga kichonsi na bwigo ko tebabuna nigo atangaine ase amangana yo kurwanderera abakenya ana muno amwana momura na bwigo bali bokonyora wainsi gusaba Kenya bali batari kwenyara.
I stand here to thank God Almighty. I'm so grateful to Him. I don't know what I can say, but I want to say to my God who created me, loved me, sustained me, and now He is calling me to higher calling. I want to say thank you. Jehovah God, I am so thankful. I want all the men of God to stand. The ones who came before I can offer any speech. I want you to stand because I need your prayers. All of you who have come, bishop, pastors, prophets, apostles, archbishops, and those who serve in the vineyard of God, as you stand there, I want us to go before God to thank God, together with our fathers of faith and the ordination council. I am so grateful. And all I can say is that first we thank God for what He has done and what He is going to do, because I believe He's about to do a great thing in this land.
Let me take this opportunity to congratulate Reverend Dorcas Rigathi, Her Excellency, on the very well-deserved elevation as Reverend, again on behalf of our family, HECO, Reverend Dorcas, and with your new status, more work, more responsibility, usisahau sisi mimi na vijana watu ya familia. Today is the only day for the last 20 years that I'll have a microphone and not talk politics. Leo hakuna siasa, no injecting, nothing. Sindio? Tumekubaliana, this is a very momentous occasion for Reverend Dorcas. We don't want to mess it with politics. Sindio? Ndio ikae kama sherehe ya maana. Tusichanganye na siasa. I know many people will be disappointed, but pole.
There's something God is doing today in Wamunyoro for this country. And I believe this country will never be the same again. The humility that our sister has shown, when I first met her, Ndugurigi, I was strongly in your position. You were in government.
Today, we are not talking politics, and I really want to really agree that this is a very, very important occasion for Madam Dorcas and the family and the clergy and everyone else that is here. So, Reverend Dorcas, kindly, on behalf of my family, on behalf of the Meru people, on behalf of the Council of Juricheke, I am bringing the message of congratulations to you for being called to this position.
Gutigana nayo mugavana we county ya Trans Nzoia Muske George Natembeya na boigo umurikio monene asikia magia DCP Cleophas Malala ni gobono obarorekanire gutwara ukungusana na igoro ihe kiama kiratware chinguru kigima asobochori oboke bori bosio gose by elections ana muno asichinse mochiria chia Kisa East Ward yogotokeme ye county ya Kakamega. Omugavana Natembeya ni gobono atebire nchirateyo ikiama gia DCP kia Rigathi Gachagua kirache gutwara ubonyankongo ase orogongo rwa Western kurinde nekira kubura na DCP keche koliaria kosikende wakerwa ekuko ase chinse mochiri cyo murima Kenya ekento kiabogechire oyore umurikyo monene ase kiamekyo Muske Cleophas Malala nekira gutwara ndake nigo mugavana Natembeya atumire ne serikali eri gwatanana chikura chiorogongoro.
Sisi na Rigiji tulikubaliana yeye ajenge mlima, mimi nijenge Western. Haiwezekani kwamba tukue na candidate wa DCP hapa. Hiyo ni uchapulizi, hiyo ni ukora, tuwezi kubali. Ama namna gani watu wetu? Candidate wa DCP asimame kule, candidate wetu asimame hapa, tukue strong, au pia ukue strong, tukutane kwa meza ya wanaume.
Sasa iko maneno inafanyika hapa. Serikali imeenda ikaona kwamba tunaenda kushinda hii viti yote. Imekuja ikapatia mmoja wetu pesa kwa jina George Natembeya gavana. Ikamwambia enda huko Kisa East, enda chokora, so that huko sisi wote tupoteze, serikali ipite. Sasa George Natembeya leo amekuja hapa Kisa East. Ametoka kule Trans Nzoia. Ati anakuja hapa anataka kutugonganisha sisi watu wa DCP na watu wa DAP. Ninyi mtakubali hiyo kweli? We want to tell George Natembeya, wacha kutumika na NIS kugawanisha United Opposition. Amekuja kunichokora leo hapa Kisa East, ati ndio mimi nikasirike nisiende kuwasaidia kule Malava alafu serikali ishinde Malava. I want to commit here that George Natembeya hata akuje hapa Kisa East, I am still committed kusaidia DAP Kenya ishinde kule Malava.
Mwancho murigire saroboti urono tukora ikionga chinsa ibire chabona omaragoba kulinda kirongo kuporia tubase uskan hande okendere kubwatia emirobiri ya Gatembe TV chingaki chonsi na boigo kogendera kutubwatia wetira ase chinsemo chiria che mitandao yeito yekerero chinsemo cha Facebook na boigo YouTube Gatembe TV. Kurose bimanyerere nere Veni Nyaboke nguruko Matilda Obaiwa Mike Wills bakubwatirana na matundira bakoretera chibicha asinjira enyi kerano tumra nande asikiunga chinsa enye
Bagaka ninjo, ninjo Gatembe, ninjo Dorome, mangana man, bangina ninjo.
Mbusina tebeteiga mutinare nkumachima tomatenga butuka ngaki mutinare nkumachima to matenga butuka ayabona mangana utachirerete na mangana ale ngagusenga Trump na tete ngabona ngabantu ngona nguitara abantu bonse ngoko teiboigo kuno wakani bingana ga iga ngaumetena ndu muina ngana nyoro murayuri tubago tebe gusigari gana gusikia kiabanga kitiko buri mubu ajo kuno gutinara mangana aru toletera mangana ale angensa ikinyuri gistore aje kinyuri kiongi kikuru kwaye nyumba yinu neri ya aye naye bono yo urororio kanga bono kuna ukona gutine bingana mutinare nkumachimato ukona gutina mutinare nkumachimato matenga butuka tata inki ukona gutulira matenga y'abantu ukona kogosa abantu uzanga mahete matinare ndo kimwina nanyore kento kikwanyora we mechegechege mwino buli mubosa aye mutinare nkumachimato matenga butuka ukona gutulira matenga y'abantu yo bantu bakupale kolengererieke na ya ode to batebya yare umete nona ali guchiali Mombasa igoro nona ali guchirogora ali guchiroto igoro bona chietoro ngankaro okarora kio toro chikenda ni tuchiti no rotwe nona irubi tuchiti ona te anta mangana utamanyiti teba mangana aga bwisora yoro choka mutinale nkumachima tomatenga butoka kona kongaina abantu bolimo bosaba tiga anu kona gutina mangana ale ngyo kuligeria mangana ale na ndoto ya maitibuya yatike nona mangana ali michimwina ukara yatigae kara lenda yao mutinale nkumachimato matenga butoka lenda yao
Bagaka ninjo, ninjo Gatembe, ninjo Dorome, mangana man, bangina ninjo.
eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seyeka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingia kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone